It's okay.
He's jumping off.
You want me to throw you up?
No. I don't want to go down at the heart.
But he did it. He was up there. It ain't easy in flip-flops. There he goes. He's got it this time. Look at this. Little monkey. He's tired.
One fall off.
Yeah, he's getting tired now. This is like third time he's done it. You're doing great, Jameson.
It looks like it. Has a hubcap. That's a nice auto. Yeah, that's a jump car. Have you ever heard it run? Cold morning.
You're doing great, buddy. You tired?
I don't want to
No,
go.
I'm still get up. I flip-flops. I'm in the wrong thing. I'm off.
You want me to climb up there?
There you go.
It's cute.
You don't think I can climb higher than you?
I'm climbing really high. I don't want my shoes on.
All right, you're almost there.
You're almost to the top. Climb to the very top.
You want your shoe back or not?
I want you to climb to the top of the tree.
I am not going to the top of the tree.
Why not?
But I am going high.
You get down from there.
Now say, I'm the king of Irving Park Village.
I'm
He is.
king of Brittany Park.
Put it what? What was
What was
that?
that?
One more time.
What are you
King
king
of what?
of?
I'm king of Park Village.
There you go.